Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to Blum withdrawal. Right, so it's really easy thing to do. You can use this OKX where you can buy and sell it into USDT or other cryptocurrency. You can also use the coin codex here. So let me show you up. Now there's another one, right? That is a Google terminal, and here there's not any particular exchange where you can convert it. Right, so here let's say I just want to convert into the BTC here, so you can see here one Blum to BTC. Now let's go and click on exchange. Right now here, this is a BitLocus, so this is a platform which can help you to exchange, right? But make sure that just be aware that most of the exchanges charge you a little too high conversion fees, which it will affect your total amount of conversion rate. Right, so you can convert from any of these websites here, and this is another website which is called this one, where you can also go there and you can just withdraw your Blum. Right, so thanks for watching this video. Subscribe.